So let's talk about as far as the first FIR copy is now concerned and the new laws that have now come into effect under the sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. As Times Now has accessed the copy of the first FIR that has now been registered under the new law. We have Priyank with us. Priyank, good morning. We are told the first section, or rather the first FIR in the new section of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita has been registered. What is it all about?
Yes, Amita, the curiosity is over because since last evening, late night, we were trying to get the whole of this particular FIR, which could have been filed post midnight, because as our viewers understand, post midnight, the law change, the IPC has now been changed into Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and the CRPC as well as the Evidence Act, both of them have been changed. This particular copy of the FIR was filed at 12:15 in the midnight at Kamran Market Police Station, where this FIR is under the sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 285, which means that anyone who is obstructing public servant from the discharge of his duty, that a particular individual could be booked. But the basic fact is that the body and the content of the FIR has not changed. Only the section portion which used to mention the IPC has now been changed. Earlier to that, the FIR used to be filed under section 154 of the CRPC. Now it has been filed under section 175 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which is an alternative of the CRPC. There have been few sections which have also been changed in the IPC. Here to that, they used to be 554 around sections, and now what we know that is 175 amendments have been done, 8 new sections have been added, and 22 sections have been amended. So they have removed. So there have been several changes which have been done to make it more accessible to people, because as we know, there was a need to change the law, considering the new scenario. The cyber crime laws were not so much, capable enough to deal with that. So that is what has been done.
So not just with the police, there is citizen awareness also now necessary and needed, rather, when it comes to the 3 new laws that have now come into effect. We also talk about how the police is also using e-Praman application for carrying out these procedures under the Bharatiya Suraksha Adhiniyam, and this will also help its personnel to also record videos and audio of search and seizures that are related to a particular crime. Now, naturally, looking into these new laws, the revamped laws, the implementation of the criminal laws has seen the opposition from many political parties as well. Here are some as they have responded to the implementation to the new criminal laws. Let's listen into the other side.
वो समाजवादी पार्टी समझती कि इस पर सरकार को पुनर्विचार करना चाहिए, थोड़ा और समय देना चाहिए, क्योंकि एकदम से कुछ परिवर्तन ले आएंगे, बहुत समय लगता है कुछ चीज़ों को बदलाव करने में। इसलिए सरकार को थोड़ा समय देना चाहिए, वकीलों को और राज्य सरकारों को भी, जिससे ये जो कानून है, जो परिवर्तन हुआ है आईपीसी में, वो परिवर्तन के लिए जो राज हैं वो तैयार हो जाए, जो वकील हैं